What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andres, and today we're diving into the one skill that can truly change your life: financial intelligence. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep, how hard it works for you, and how long it lasts. Financial intelligence gives you freedom, security, and the power to build your own future. Forget the myth that you need a huge salary or a finance degree. Anyone can learn this. In this video, I'll break down the exact 8-step blueprint I use to boost my financial IQ, from setting goals to making your money work for you. Let's get started. The foundation of your financial future, the bedrock upon which you'll build lasting wealth and security, is setting clear, actionable goals. It's about defining exactly what you want to achieve with your money and putting a plan in place to make it happen. Most people say, "I want to be rich," or "I want to have a lot of money." But that's just a wish, a fleeting thought, not a concrete goal. It lacks substance and direction. Real goals are smart. Specific, measurable, meaning you can track your progress and know when you've achieved them. Achievable, relevant, aligning with your values and overall life plan, and time-bound, giving you a deadline to work towards and creating a sense of urgency. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," try, "I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in 3 years," or "I want a net worth of $1 million by age 40. This clarity fuels motivation and guides every financial decision, big or small. It helps you prioritize and make choices that move you closer to your desired outcome. Ask yourself, why do you want this goal? What's the deeper reason behind it? The stronger your emotional connection, the more likely you'll stick with it, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Write your goals down and put them somewhere visible: your mirror, your phone, your laptop. This isn't fluff. It's a proven way to keep your goals top of mind and reinforce your commitment to achieving them. Define what financial success means to you. Not your parents, not Instagram, not society's expectations. Maybe it's paying off student loans, freeing yourself from debt, saving for a sabbatical, taking time off to pursue your passions, or building a dividend portfolio, creating a passive income stream. Make it personal. Tailor your goals to your unique circumstances and aspirations. Without clear goals, the rest of this blueprint is useless. You'll be wandering aimlessly, unsure of where to focus your efforts. Your goals are your North Star, guiding you through the complexities of the financial world. Set them now, and you've already taken the most important step on your journey to financial freedom and security. Now that you know where you want to go, it's time to figure out where you are. Track every penny you spend for 1 month, no exceptions. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or an app like Mint or YNAB. Don't judge yourself, just gather the data. You can't manage what you don't measure. You'll be surprised where your money actually goes. Subscriptions, takeout, random purchases. At the end of the month, categorize your spending: housing, food, entertainment, debt, etc. Compare your spending to your goals. Are your habits helping or hurting your progress? This isn't a one-time thing. Review your spending regularly. It keeps you accountable and prevents lifestyle creep. For the next 30 days, be a financial detective. Scrutinize every transaction. This map of your spending is the data you need for the next step. Knowledge is power. Use it. Time to build a budget. A roadmap for your financial future. But not the kind that makes you miserable, filled with restrictions and limitations. We want a budget that empowers you, not imprisons you. A budget is just a plan for your money. A conscious decision about where each dollar should go, giving you control and freedom. It's about making informed choices and aligning your spending with your values and aspirations. Use your spending data to create a realistic budget. Analyze where your money is currently going. That aligns with your goals. What do you want to achieve financially? A new home, early retirement, travel the world? Your budget should reflect these ambitions. Try the 50-30-20 rule: 50% to needs, the essentials like housing, food, and transportation. 30% to wants, those non-essential items that bring you joy and enhance your lifestyle. 20% to savings and debt, building a financial safety net and eliminating liabilities. Compare this ideal to your actual spending and adjust. See where you're overspending and where you can make improvements. Cut back on wants, not all fun. Just what doesn't serve your goals. Identify those expenses that don't align with your priorities. Another method: zero-based budgeting. Give every dollar a job. Ensure that every single dollar has a designated purpose. The best budget is the one you'll stick to. Find a system that works for your personality and lifestyle. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Small, sustainable changes are more effective than drastic, short-lived ones. Your budget should be flexible and realistic. Life happens, and your budget needs to adapt. If you cut too much, you'll give up. Deprivation is not a sustainable strategy. It's better to have a good budget you follow than a perfect one you abandon. Simplicity and adherence are key. Remember, your budget is a living document. It's not set in stone. Review and adjust as needed. Regularly assess your progress and make necessary modifications. Create your plan and take control. You are the master of your financial destiny. Your money should work for you, not the other way around. Make your finances a tool for achieving your dreams. Next, protect yourself with an emergency fund, a financial moat for life's surprises. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs, they're not if, but when. Without a safety net, you risk falling into debt. Aim for 3-6 months of essential expenses, not income. Start with a $1,000 starter fund, enough for most small emergencies. Keep it in a high-yield savings account separate from your daily spending. Once you hit $1,000, make building your full fund a top priority. Automate your savings, treat it like a bill. Don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. If you use it, pause other goals and refill it immediately. This fund isn't for investing, it's for peace of mind. It's your shield against financial disaster. Protect your foundation first. The security it brings is priceless. Make this a non-negotiable step. With your financial foundation firmly set in place, after diligently managing your budget and understanding your cash flow, it's time to make your money work for you, to transition from simply saving to actively growing your wealth through the power of investing. It's time to start learning about investing. Begin your journey into the world of finance and wealth creation. Investing is how you build real wealth, the kind of wealth that provides financial security and opens doors to new opportunities. Investing allows you to eventually stop trading time for money, creating a path towards financial independence and freedom. Don't be intimidated by jargon. The financial world can seem complex, but it's built on understandable principles. Start with the basics. Focus on building a solid understanding of fundamental investment concepts. Learn what stocks, which represent ownership in a company, bonds, which are essentially loans to governments or corporations, and index funds are. Understand how these different asset classes work and their potential risks and rewards. For most people, low-cost index funds, which offer instant diversification, or ETFs, are the best starting point. They provide a simple and efficient way to invest in a broad market. Read books like The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers a straightforward approach to investing, or I Will Teach You to Be Rich, which covers a wide range of personal finance topics. Listen to podcasts, which offer convenient and insightful financial discussions. Watch videos, which can visually explain complex concepts and absorb information from reputable sources. Always verify information and be wary of unrealistic promises. Understand your risk tolerance, how comfortable you are with the possibility of losing money. This will help you determine how much market ups and downs you can handle without making emotional decisions. Remember, investing is a long-term game, a marathon, not a sprint, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Avoid chasing short-term gains and focus on building wealth steadily over time. Ignore hype and focus on consistent, disciplined investing, diversified, long-term investing. This approach will help you weather market fluctuations and achieve your financial goals. Before you invest $1, take a moment. Invest time in learning. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Knowledge gives you confidence, empowering you to take control of your financial future. It gives you the strength to stay the course during market swings, avoiding panic selling and impulsive decisions. The most successful investors are patient and informed, making rational decisions based on knowledge and understanding. Start your education now. Take that first step towards a brighter financial future. Your future self will thank you for the time and effort you invest today. Now let's tackle debt, the anchor holding you back. High-interest debt like credit cards drains your wealth. Not all debt is equal. Mortgages and student loans can be good, but consumer debt is toxic. Focus on eliminating bad debt fast. Use the debt snowball, smallest balance first, for motivation, or the debt avalanche, highest interest first, for efficiency. Pick the method that fits your personality and stick with it. Stop taking on new debt. Cut up cards if you have to. Find extra money in your budget to throw at debt cut expenses. Pick up a side hustle. Every extra dollar accelerates your freedom. Getting out of debt is liberating. It frees up your income for investing and living. Imagine redirecting those payments to your future. Managing and eliminating debt is non-negotiable. Commit to the process. The sooner you're debt-free, the sooner you can build real wealth. Start today. Don't rely on just one paycheck, diversify your income. Multiple income streams mean more security and faster progress toward your goals. If you lose your job, side income keeps you afloat. Every extra dollar can go toward debt or investments. Start with your skills: freelance writing, design, virtual assistants, monetize what you know. Try gig economy jobs like Uber, DoorDash, or dog walking for flexible cash. Build passive income, create digital products, start a YouTube channel, invest in dividend stocks, start small, pick one idea, and make your first dollar. Once you see results, scale up or try something new. Every wealthy person has multiple income streams. It's a core principle of financial intelligence. Brainstorm your options today. Your second income stream starts with a single step. Don't wait, get creative and get started. The final step: regularly review and adjust your plan. Life changes, so should your financial strategy. Set a recurring money date monthly or quarterly to check your progress. Review your budget. Where did you overspend or underspend? Check your goals. Are you on track? Do they still matter? Update your plan for raises, new expenses, or changing priorities. This habit keeps you engaged and in control. Catch small problems before they become big ones. Once a year, do a deep dive. Calculate your net worth, review investments, check insurance, and reassess long-term goals. Regular reviews separate the financially savvy from the rest. Your plan should evolve with you. Don't go on autopilot, stay proactive. Make review and adjustment a non-negotiable habit. This is how you steer your financial ship to freedom. Keep your plan alive. That's the 8-step blueprint for building financial intelligence. Don't get overwhelmed, just start with one step this week. Even tracking your spending for 7 days builds momentum. Financial intelligence is a lifelong journey, not a quick fix. The sooner you start, the bigger your results. Take control, build security, and design your life. Thanks for watching. Now go take that first step.